Hi class, this is Miss Robinson. Welcome to today's review of Wind in the Willows. So tomorrow you have a test on the story and a few things that have happened in the story. So remember our I can statements have been that we can recount the story. So that's what we're going to work on today. So we're going to start with where our story Wind in the Willows took place. So here's a map of the Willows countryside. And this is where all of our events took place. And this also shows some of our characters in the story. So our first character that we met was Mole. Our story started out with Mole. Then we have Rat, we have Badger, Otter, and Toad. There are a few other characters that we'll talk about as we play this game today. The game that we're playing is called Which Happened First. So I'm going to read two statements to you guys, and I want you to think about which one came first, so the order of the events. So let's start. The first one says, Mole seizes the oars from Rat and accidentally turns the boat over. Second one says, Rat takes Mole for a ride along the riverbank where they enjoy a picnic. So think about which one happens first. I'll give you 5 seconds to think, and then think about your answer. So this one happened first. First, Rat takes Mole for a ride, and then Mole takes the oars from Rat, and it turns the boat over. Alright, let's do the next one. Which happened first? So this first one says, Rat and Mole call on Toad at Toad Hall, and Toad shows them his new caravan. Or a reckless driver in a motor car rushes past the caravan, causing the horse to rear and back the caravan off the road. So which one happened first? That's right. Rat and Mole call on Toad at Toad Hall. This happens first. Toad shows them the caravan. And then what happens? A reckless driver rushes past and causes the caravan to back off the road. On to number 3. Mole trips over a door scraper which leads to Mr. Badger's home. Or Rat goes into the wild wood in search of Mole. So Rat goes into the wild wood in search of Mole happens first. And then in this next in the story, Mole trips over a door scraper. We're going to do number 4. The first one says Badger shows Mole around his home, including the elaborate underground passages. Or Badger leads Mole, Rat, and Otter from his home to the edge of wild wood through an underground passage. So if I'm moving a little too fast, you can always pause the video to think about which one comes first. So this one comes first. Badger shows Mole around his home and shows them the underground passageways. And then Badger leads Mole and Rat and Otter from his home to the edge of wild wood using those passageways. Okay, we're on to number 5. 5 says, the field mice arrive at Mole's home to sing a carol for Mole and Rat. So do you remember in the story when that happened? Rat helps Mole tidy up his home after spending time away from it. And think about when that happened. Which event came first? So this one comes first. First, Rat helps Mole tidy up. And then after that, the field mice arrive and sing a carol for Mole and Rat. Number 6. Toad steals a motor car and is sent to a dungeon as a prisoner. Do you remember when that happened? That's when Miss Emily and I, Miss Robinson, were first started reading the stories to you guys. Mr. Badger, Rat, and Mole lock Toad up in his bedroom. So which one happens first? Think about it. So first, Mr. Badger, Rat, and Mole lock Toad up in his bedroom. But then, after that, Toad steals a motor car, and then he's really sent to prison. So he's not just locked in his bedroom anymore, he's in prison. So we've made it to our halfway point. We've answered 6 questions, thinking about what comes first and then what comes next. If you need a quick break to stretch your neck out or roll your head around, you can do that and pause the video. And if you're ready to keep going, we're going to hit the next slide. Alright, which happened first? Toad dresses up as a washerwoman and escapes the dungeon? Or Toad jumps off a train with the help of the engine driver? Think about which happens first. So remember, first Toad dressed up as the washerwoman and escaped. He got out of the dungeon, out of the prison. And then he got onto that train and he jumped off the train with the help of the engine driver. Our next one. Out of revenge, Toad steals the barge woman's horse because she makes fun of him. So that's an event that happened. Toad sings a conceited song about his adventures. Remember that word conceited? That means you're thinking way too much about yourself. You're thinking too highly of yourself. So think about which one happened first. And it's this one. First, Toad stole the barge woman's horse because she made fun of him. And then afterwards, he was walking along singing his conceited song about how great he is in his adventures. Number 9, which happened first? Running away from the policeman, Toad runs straight into the river, or Toad, dressed as a washerwoman, tricks the gentleman giving him a ride to let him drive the motor car. So think about that one. Which one happened first? Actually, it's this one. First, he tricks the gentleman giving him a ride to let him drive, and then as he's driving, he kind of crashes and he sees the policeman, and then he starts running away from the policeman and runs right into the river. And then think about it. Who did he see when he ran into the river? Think if you know the answer. He saw Rat, remember? He came face to face with Rat. Alright, question 10. The Stoats drop a stone into the boat Toad uses to scope out Toad Hall. Or Rat pulls Toad from the river and tells him to take off his washerwoman disguise. So which one happens first? Again, I kind of give you guys a hint on this one. So first, Rat pulls Toad from the river and tells him to take off his disguise because he knows who he is. And then later, when they find out that Toad Hall has been captured by the Stoats, Ferrets, and Weasels, he goes to try and scope it out. And one of the Stoats drop a stone in his boat that breaks it. We're on number 11. So Badger tells Toad of an underground passage that will help them get into Toad Hall. Or the 4 friends pop out of the butler's pantry. Which one happened first? That's right. First, Badger has to tell Toad of the passageway that he didn't know about that gets to Toad Hall. And then they pop out of the butler's pantry, kind of where they keep the dishes, and surprise the people in the house. Alright, our last question. Toad says he will never cause his friends embarrassment again. Or does this happen first? Mr. Badger, Rat, Mole, and Toad drive the Weasels, Ferrets, and Stoats out of Toad Hall with a surprise attack. What happens first? That's right, this one happens first. First, Mr. Badger, Rat, Mole, and Toad all drive the Weasels and Ferrets and Stoats out with that surprise attack because they came through the underground passageway. And then, after that crazy adventure that Toad has, he's like, okay, I'm never going to do this again. I'm not going to try and embarrass my friends again. Alright, so how did you do? Did you get a lot of them right? Are you remembering what the order of the story? I hope so. So, thank you guys for playing this game with me. If you want to review and play it again and try to do even better, you can rewatch this video. Okay, and remember just to pause in case you need to stop and think. So tomorrow on Tuesday, we're going to have our assessment, our test, and it's just going to be some of these questions. You're going to have to answer which one happened first and which one happened next, okay? It's going to help us practice to be able to recount, to retell the story that we heard. All right, thank you guys for playing.